Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be talking about 5 ways to make money online as a side hustle without having a social media following. Yes, without having a social media following. You do not have to, have a YouTube channel. You don't have to have a TikTok or anything like that. This is just going to be ways that you can make money online. No experience needed. So let's get into it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. The first thing that I have on my list is Rakuten. So Rakuten actually used to be called Ebates. If you have been, a member of Rakuten for a very, very long time, they used to be called Ebates. And basically it is a platform that you can sign up for. So they have a nice variety of shops on there. So they have, like, let's say Lululemon or Nike or Sport Check or something. Say you're like in the market for some activewear, for example, and you want to buy something at Lululemon, but you don't want to go in the store to buy it. So Rakuten also has, I think, like an in-store version of their website, but I've never personally tried it. I've only ever used the web version of Rakuten. So basically you go onto Rakuten, sign up for it, and then you type in whatever store it is that you're going to be planning on buying from. So let's say it's Lululemon, for example. So you type in Lululemon and then you click on their, it's basically just like an affiliate link, okay? So they get money and you get money or something like that. The company pays, I guess, to be on their website and like advertise and stuff like that. So you do get money back. So depends on how much you buy, you get a percentage of that back, and you can get that as a PayPal payment or a Rakuten check. So this is more so if you are the type of person that shops online pretty often. It's a really, really good thing. If you shop online often, you shop at all these stores online, you can get cash back for shopping. And sometimes they have events throughout the year where cashback is higher. So let's say it's like the Sephora VIB sale, and it's like around Black Friday. So I'm talking about the November sale. They kind of raise the percentage of cashback from like 2% to 6%. So you can earn more money by doing that. They have Boxing Day deals and all of that stuff. And there's a lot of retailers on there. I've been using them for years, by the way. I am not sponsored by Rakuten. I will leave their link and everything I'm gonna be talking about in this video, by the way, in the description box for your guys' reference. But yeah, I'm not sponsored by Rakuten. I have been using them for years, like I think since back in 2012, and my lifetime cashback is over $1,000. So anytime I use Expedia is something that's on there that a lot of people don't know that's on there. But anyways, you can access Expedia from here, and if you buy plane tickets or hotel stays or anything like that, you can get cash back through Rakuten, and that also doesn't affect Expedia points. You still continue to earn Expedia points as you would. So I think that's where a big chunk of my cash back came from, is from hotel stays and stuff like that. I used it the whole time I was in Japan booking hotels and all of that. I was, earning cash back by Rakuten. So love that site. Next up, I have Amazon. So Amazon affiliate, Amazon storefront, that sort of thing is a good way to earn commission from sales. So like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you don't have to have a social media following, but have you ever bought something, like, say for me, if I think about it, it's more so like hiking gear. I got these on Amazon because I didn't want to spend, $80 on crampons. If you don't know what crampons are, if you don't go hiking, they're these right here. They look like a torture device, but these go at the bottom of your shoe when you go hiking in the winter time and all of that stuff. So, for me, how I would earn money from Amazon is not through YouTube and posting my link or anything like that, because that honestly doesn't work. I have not earned very much money from the Amazon affiliate program. I'm being completely honest, I have not earned that much because you have to reach a proper threshold before they release payment to you. I think you have to make at least $50 from affiliate sales to actually like cash out and get your money. So I haven't found that this is like the best way to earn money online, but I know that it's successful for a lot of people. And what I'm saying is you don't need a social media following for this because, for example, I bought these crampons, right? And I wear them on a hike or something like that. And one of my friends is like, hey, where did you get your crampons? I could send them the link for these. Or a lot of times I take people on their first hike. So a lot of my friends have gone on their first hikes with me, which makes me so happy. And it kind of low-key makes me want to become like a hiking guide or something, just, you know, do something that I'm passionate about, right? So I've taken my friends on their first hike. I send them a list, right? I send them a list of things from Amazon with my affiliate links. I'm like, you guys need to buy these for our hike, right? You need, if we're hiking in the wintertime, you need crampons, you need gaiters, you need, for example, hiking poles, a backpack, you know, all of that. I can send them a list, like a shopping list of affiliate links to go on Amazon and purchase whatever they need to purchase. So again, no social media following required. It's like you can send these links to your friends, family. You know, how often have you had a friend come over to your house and be like, I really like that vase. I really like that candle. Where did you get it? You can send them your Amazon affiliate link. Next thing I have is affiliate marketing. I have actually made money from affiliate marketing, not on Amazon, but on other sites such as DHgate. So I used to actually work with DHgate specifically for videos talking about like their sales events and all of that stuff as part of their affiliate program. I don't do that for them anymore, but I used to do that back in like 2022 maybe. DH, it's like any other affiliate program, right? Like just like the Amazon one, you have something, you wear it, your friend is like, where did you get that? You can send them your affiliate link for DH. This is more something that works better if you do have a social media following, like if you do YouTube videos, reviews, Instagram, TikTok, that sort of thing. Like it's very hard to post links on YouTube. Like I can't because of there's specific reasons why I can't, but I do on Instagram and that sort of thing. I do on Linktree, for example. So with that, you can earn money just based on reviewing things. And yeah, that's more so if you have social media. But again, it's just like the Amazon affiliate program. There's DHgate, there's Magic Links, for example. Magic Links is also like, it's kind of similar to Rakuten, where there's a bunch of retailers on there. AliExpress is actually on there, Shein is on there. Like things that you would never think would be on Magic Links, there is a Magic Link for that. So you basically just generate links on there. It's kind of a little bit of work. It's kind of a little tedious. So if you do have a lot of free time or if you're bored or something like that, you can go on there and create links of your favorite products. And same thing, like you can just share them with your friends, that sort of thing. If you do have like maybe Instagram, you can kind of like attach them, tag them to your posts. So affiliate marketing honestly is a really, really good one, but I've honestly only made money through DHgate, and that's a really, really great affiliate program to get. So I do have that one in my Instagram link tree if you guys want to join that affiliate program. Next thing is Google surveys. I don't know if you guys have heard of Google surveys before. It kind of sounds low-key like a scam, but it's not. It is literally a Google app. So I'll show you guys where it is on my phone right here. I might do this as a screen recording. Let's just do that as a screen recording, and I'll have it like on either side of me here. I always lose my screen recorder. Okay. So these are my Google apps on my phone. A lot of them are pre-downloaded when I bought my phone because I have a Samsung. So now this one called Rewards right here. Oh, I need to update it. Okay, anyways, this one right here is called Google Opinion Rewards. And There, that's perfect. I got a survey right there on screen for you. These surveys earn you a specific amount. So I'm just gonna say yes. And it's gonna say like, what places have you visited recently? I think you connect your Google Maps to this somehow, or like you have to have your location services turned on. So this is not something that, you know, some people will like doing, if that makes sense. Honestly, your phone is being tracked by Google. It's a well-known fact. If you have Facebook, if you have anything like that, chances are the ads are catered to you because your phone is obviously listening to you, okay? So this is not something that's new. Anyways, which places have you visited? I went to Shoppers today, so I'm gonna put, or when did I go? I went today. Okay, I'm gonna put Friday. And then you just say, I made a payment during my visit. See how fast the survey was? It was literally like 3 seconds, 3 taps, and you earn 25 cents in Google Play credits. So it looks like this. You have reward history right here. So I've received 1,173 surveys, and I've had 40 receipt tasks, and I've earned $304.65 with Google surveys. Now this has been since the Pokemon game came out, so back in 2016, so about 9 years now. I've earned $300 through Google surveys, and again, they're all pretty much like that. They're just tap tap tap, and that's it. You earn like 25 cents. You can earn up to like $1 per survey, and those go into your Google Play balance, which you can buy things like All Trails memberships and all of that stuff. So I haven't actually paid for an All Trails membership. I think they're like $35 a year. I haven't actually paid for one because I just use my Google survey money for All Trails memberships. You can use it for games, you know, like those online games where they want you to pay real money for certain things. You can just use that, your Google Play balance. So, I mean, it's a good one. It's a very fun one, in my personal opinion. You just do surveys, and that's pretty much it. It's a quick way to earn Google Play money, and you don't have to use your actual money. So number 5 is Facebook Marketplace or Etsy. Now, if you have stuff in your house that you just want to get rid of, Facebook Marketplace is really good for that. I mean, it's not the best because people, I feel like, haggle you so much. If you put something up for $20, they're gonna offer you 5 or 10. You just have to be patient with it. I know a lot of people make money through Facebook Marketplace. There is other ways as well. I know that people thrift and then sell on Marketplace for more, just kind of like thrift and flip. But thrift stores have gotten super expensive, especially Value Village. So I don't know that this is a sustainable way to make money, but you can actually find, you know, some really good quality designer goods at Value Village and then like buy it for cheap, clean it up maybe, and then sell it on Marketplace. I have definitely sold a lot of my unwanted items on Marketplace. Phones and that sort of thing included. These ones go really fast. Electronics go insanely fast. Every single time I sell some sort of electronic item, whether it be like headphones, earbuds, or like phones, it goes pretty quick. So yeah, Marketplace is a way to make quick cash online. But you guys probably already knew that. Yeah, of course you have to have one bit of social media for this one. You have to have Facebook, but obviously it doesn't have to be a creator account. You don't have to be public. You can just be a private account. You don't even have to add friends or anything like that, honestly. You can just make a Facebook account and then use it specifically to sell things on Marketplace. And then the last one from that was Etsy. Etsy, you can make stuff, crafts, anything like that. You can sell it on Etsy. I'm looking at wedding veils right now, and there's some really, really beautiful ones on there. So that's some tea. I will definitely film a life update at some point for you guys, but that's, yeah. So anyways, Etsy is really good for that. And if you have some sort of talent, like if you're really good at cooking spring rolls, if you're really good at making pancit or something like that, like ethnic food, you know, Filipino food, stuff that you could bring to potlucks and parties, you could do that and sell it on Marketplace as well. So Marketplace doesn't just have to be your, you know, your own personal garage sale of things you don't want. It can be stuff that you're good at making and that you want to sell on there. So that is pretty much it. So that's pretty much all, you guys. That is all my tips and tricks on how to make money online without a social media following. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye!
I let you deeper.